Before now, Calabar South used to be a rough area to go at night. Killing, robbery, and snatching of phones and laptops, called clashes, and a lot of social unrest. If you ever stayed in Calabar before, you will understand and relate with this. Calabar South used to be a no-go area at night. The guys in this area are popularly known as Calabar South boys. When you hear Calabar South boys, you know something bad has happened. So welcome to Calabar South, where the night has undergone a remarkable transformation. Once known for its challenges and social unrest, today we explore the positive changes that have taken place, turning Calabar South into a vibrant and secure community. Just a short while ago, Calabar South was plagued by a myriad of issues, from criminal activities to social unrest. Residents face challenges like never before, with safety being a major concern. But change is in the air thanks to the visionary leadership of Governor Prince Bassey Otu. A new era has dawned upon Calabar South. One of the most significant improvements is the installation of the state-of-the-art street lights. These lights are not just brightening the streets, they are transforming the entire atmosphere of Calabar South. The once dimly lit and unsafe streets have now become beacons of safety and security. Residents can now walk freely at night without the fear of crime, as the streets are well lit, deterring criminals' activities. It's like a miracle. Residents can now go out at night without worrying about safety. The street lights have brought life back to this community. It feels so much safer now. The positive changes are not limited to safety alone. Local businesses are thriving as people and students feel more comfortable visiting establishments at night. Calabar South has undergone a remarkable transformation, and it's all thanks to the commitment and efforts of the new administration led by the Governor Prince Bassey Otu. As the street lights continue to illuminate the path of Calabar South, the community is embracing a new era of peace and prosperity. This is not just a story of development, it's a testament to what can be achieved when a community comes together with a shared vision for a brighter future.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. Could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make
Thank you for staying with me on this channel. Stay tuned for more updates in our next video as we explore Calabar in our next video. And meanwhile, Calabar are preparing for their carnival. We will bring to you live update of this celebration. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe and the notification button below so you can get a notification when we upload our next video. Thank you and see you in our next video as we explore Calabar. Thank you.